Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, January 3rd, 2024. I hope you're doing well. I hope you had a great holiday season and a happy new year and a great first day of the 2024. I'm excited to be back here doing videos. And I thought for my first video, I would just do a general overview presentation of GotBackup. So I won't be very long, but I have some slides I'm going to go through. And that way you have a general idea of what GotBackup is all about. So I'm going to share my screen here and then we'll get started. All right, so got backup, empowering families with a global opportunity, massive growth and success. It's time to turn your dreams into reality. So the reason that we're here is because it's time to turn our dreams into reality, right? We all have goals, we all have dreams, and if you're looking to supplement your income or to even have job replacing income in 2024, then I highly recommend checking out Got Backup, because to me this is the number one work from home business opportunity online. Okay, so we're empowering families. Got Backup is here to help average people with above average work ethic to achieve their dreams. So what that means is, if you're willing to put in the work and stay consistent and focused, then you can build an empire with Got Backup. All right, and we're here to help you do that. So the company began in 1997 in Gatineau, Quebec, Canada, and now it's in Schertz, Texas, with a 10,000 square foot data center that we have. And these are actual photos. So that's our facility here, and that's our inside in the data storage room. All right, and we have webinars on Wednesday evenings with the owner, and he will show you, give you a tour of inside the building here. It's a really nice facility that they have, and it's state of the art. And the reason that they moved from Canada to Texas is because they used up all of the bandwidth up there, all of the data that was available in their area. So they moved down here, and Schertz, Texas is a very well-known area for large corporations and companies that have data centers. And actually, Amazon even has one of their largest fulfillment centers in the U.S. in Schertz, Texas. So there's two global trends right now. Global trend number one is there's almost 7 billion smartphones in the world. So you have growth market plus high demand equals financial success. So, I mean, everybody has a cell phone. So the market here is literally, it will never become saturated because there's so many people that have cell phones. All right, and you look at this percentage of global mobile traffic from 2011 to 2023. Down here in 2011, the share of traffic was 6% mobile. All right, you can see today it's 60%, and that's just going to keep going up, folks. All right, because the smarter these phones get, the less we have to use desktops and tablets and all of that. And here's some interesting stats about cell phone addiction. 79.5% use their phone as an alarm clock. I do that. 87.8% feel uneasy leaving their phone at home. I never want to leave the house without my phone. 55.4% use or look at their phone while driving. I do not do this. Not recommended. 75.4% consider themselves addicted to their phones. I'm addicted to my cell phone, unfortunately. 65.6% check their phones 160 times a day. 57.4% use their phone on dates. 64.2% have texted someone that's in the same room as them. 73.4% use their phone on the toilet. I do not do that. And 60.6% upgraded their phone in the last year. Tina and I both have done that. That's what got us into Got Backup, to be honest. I'll tell you a quick story. My wife had her cell phone. She makes reels and takes a lot of pictures of our animals. And one day her phone just wouldn't turn on. So we tried everything that you could do here, troubleshot it, took it up to Verizon. They couldn't get it to work. And they said, unfortunately, the battery malfunctioned. They can't get the phone on. Everything on the phone was lost. And just a week or so later, I was introduced to Got Backup, and we both joined. So now we don't have to worry about losing our data. Our daughters are part of this too. Data loss is growing as more and more data is being created. So an amazing 45% of cell phone users have accidentally damaged their cell phone and lost their data. Over 5,700 screens are cracked every hour, and a laptop or cell phone is stolen every 43 seconds. So people are looking for solutions. I don't know if you've ever seen these messages, but I saw one just the other day on my Gmail account that my storage was almost full and they wanted me to buy more storage. Global trend number two, everybody wants to make money, right? Make more money. 42% of Americans have a side business. 62% of Gen Z, ages 18 to 25 years old, have side hustles. All right. So, what about the rest of the world? So, when you take everybody that has a cell phone device, okay, and everybody who wants to make money and put these two together, you got backup. We're going to leverage these two things, people that want to make money and people that have devices. We're going to leverage those and make a fortune with Got Backup. All right. So GotBackup is the only company that offers 6 terabytes of storage space. You get 6 separate accounts, so you can share this with up to 5 other people. They each get their own account. So if you have a spouse or children, you can put them under your account. They'll each get their own separate back offices, so you don't see what they're saving or what they're doing on their end. And the owner of the company doesn't even have access to your accounts. Okay. They can help you reset your password, but that's it. And you can use it on an unlimited amount of devices. So, right now I'm recording this on my desktop and I have Got Backup on here. When I go to my soap company later today, I can access Got Backup and I can get whatever I have on this computer over on that computer. And I can do the same thing with my cell phone. So it's brilliant. All right. So you can see here, there's other companies out there, obviously. iCloud charges $9.99 a month for 2 terabytes. Dropbox, $9.99 for 2 terabytes. And these are just for one user each, so you can't share these with anybody else. Google Drive is $9.99 a month for 2 terabytes for 6 users. All right, we're giving you unlimited computers or devices, 6 separate accounts, priority support, easy to assign and manage each device for $9.97 a month. Or you can pay for the year at $99.97 and get 2 months for free. So we have an Android and iPhone apps. We have automatic backups, so you can set it and forget it. You can choose what you want to be automatically backed up. Like when my wife takes pictures of our cats and whatnot and makes reels, those automatically get backed up for her. So she never has to worry about losing any of that stuff. You can access your photos, documents, and data from anywhere in the world. We have military-grade encryption and security, and we have the 10,000 square foot U.S. data center, as I mentioned earlier, in Schertz, Texas. We're also backed by a 25-year-old parent company, GVO, Global Virtual Opportunities. The company's been in business since 1997, and the owner has earned or made over $300 million in his lifetime. So, this is a company that's not going anywhere, folks. All right. They're debt free and we just keep getting better and better. So, if you're looking for, like I said, if you're looking for a way to supplement your income or even have job replacing income in 2024, then Got Backup is something that you should really check out because this is the future. They say data is the new oil, right? So, this is the only cloud storage service that pays you. And again, like we have other people doing the same thing, as I mentioned, Dropbox, iCloud, Google Drive, and it's not that they're better than us. We just provide way more value, okay? And they're not paying you commissions out for sharing this with other people. So we have 3 ways to earn here in Got Backup. I'm just going to switch over here to make sure this is recording. Perfect. All right. So number 1, we have direct referral commissions. So you get $20 per direct referral in month 1. All right. These are 200% commissions you get paid out your first month. So whenever you bring somebody into the company, you share your tour page with them or a link that you have with them, and they sign up, you're going to get a $20 commission right off the bat. All right. Plus, you get a 25% of subscription fee starting month number 2. So you're building residual income with this company. So for an example, if you have 20 direct referrals, all right, 20 times 20, you're going to equal $400 commissions in month one. And folks, I know some of you might be out here going, how am I ever going to get 20 people to sign up? This is super easy, folks. All right. Like I tell everyone, if you can copy and paste, you can make this work. All right. Because everything, the tour page sells itself. You literally just have to share this link. And because the product is in such high demand and everybody needs it and everybody has a cell phone, like I mentioned earlier, this is never going to become oversaturated. You're never going to run out of people to share this with. All right. We can have 1 million people here promoting Got Backup, and there's enough room for everybody to make a fortune. All right. Of course, that's dependent on your work ethic. I got to put in the earnings disclaimer. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with Got Backup. It's totally dependent on the amount of time you spend, your marketing abilities, you're willing to learn, you're willing to put in the work, and your consistency. You got to stay consistent to make money in this industry. But it's super possible and it's really easy. All right, so that would be, so with 20 direct referrals, you would earn $400 in your first month, and then that would be $50 ongoing in monthly commissions. Your second way is matching check commission. So you're going to earn 25% matching checks on the income of your direct referrals. All right. So here's an example. You have 20 business partners earning $200 a month. You earn $50 per business partner from them. All right. That'd be $1,000 per month commissions on top of your monthly residuals. All right. This is super exciting. You only need a few people that are going out there and um, putting in some effort, and you can start making really good commissions. I think last year I had 472 sales and Got Backup. And number 3, we have team commission. All right. So this is building your binary team. Basically, this is you up here. All right. And what I love about this is that this goes in, it's for infinity. All right. There's no levels, like you can only fill the top 15 levels in your binary. This goes forever. So you can have somebody on your first level, somebody on your 100th level, somebody on your 1,000th level, and you're still going to earn from all of them. Okay. As you can see here. So earning team commissions is pretty straightforward. Step 1, you have to remain active with your paid monthly or annual subscription. All right. You're going to love the product anyway. And there's so much more that you can do besides backing up. All right. This replaces Microsoft Office. It has, you can create Word documents, spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations. There's a whiteboard in the back office. There's a photo editor. It's a full collaboration tool. So if you're working with somebody else, they don't even have to be a part of Got Backup. Whatever you create inside of Got Backup, you can create a link to share that with others, and they can have access to it. So it's just absolutely amazing. The value here is unprecedented. Okay. So you have to remain an active member. You want to invite others to join the team as business partners, and then you earn team commissions, right? So this is you up here. And in order to create a cycle in our binary, you have to have 4 on your power leg and 2 on your pay leg. And that creates one cycle. All right. So these are how the cycles are paid. Like I just mentioned, I guess I went ahead a little bit in the slide, but one cycle is 2 on the pay leg, 4 on the power, 2 on the pay leg, 4 on the power leg. The amount paid per cycle will vary monthly based on company profitability. But what the company does is they take 25% of the net profits and they put it out into this. Okay. So how do you get started? It's a $20 one-time fee. That's to become a reseller. All right. Imagine that, paying $20 one time to start a global business. Then you pay the $9.97 a month or the $99.97 annually for the Got Backup service. We're in 132 countries right now. We just had St. Vincent and the Grenadines join us right before Christmas. So that's really, folks, Got Backup just launched in April of 2023. We're not even a year old yet, and we're in 132 different countries. All right, recognizing achievements. All right, here there are different, here's our different levels, our different tiers. Everybody wants to get to the $1 million Black Diamond Club. And support. You know, you're going to get a personalized referral link. You're going to get personalized landing pages. You get a complete lead capture / email marketing system. I mean, just this alone, if you were paying for Aweber or GetResponse or MailChimp, it's well over $20 a month just for that service. Here you get everything built in the back office for you. It's a state-of-the-art lead capture system. You can mail out, send broadcasts. You can set up campaigns. It's fully functional. It's awesome. You get all the marketing tools you need. We have regular online presentations. Every Wednesday, the owner does a overview webinar where you get to learn more about the company. You get a tour of the data center in Schertz, Texas. You get to ask any questions and have those answered. And then we have training calls on Mondays with Linda Cromar. She's our master trainer. We have webinars on Tuesday, Wednesday, as I mentioned, Friday with Mark Seamus, Saturdays with Chris and Tammy Sellers. They're six-figure earners, folks. I mean, this is, you know, it doesn't get any better than this. You get team training and support. When you join my team, you become part of Team Black Diamond. We have our own private Facebook group. We have Sunday power hours where we meet every Sunday for an hour or so. And, you know, it's just awesome. Everything about this company is great. So it's a product everyone needs, and it's a business everyone can afford. It's time to get started. Let's turn your dreams into reality. And I'm not going to go into that, but they do have different cash prizes that they hold every month. There's a traffic co-op. There's so many different things here. It's unbelievable, to be honest with you. So that's the general basic overview of GotBackup. You can join our Team Black Diamond team by visiting joinruss.com. Okay. You can go and visit that. It'll take you over to a page that has a video that goes into a little more details about everything. And then if it's something that resonates with you, you can just simply put in your name and a valid email address, and then you'll be taken into a temporary back office where you can see how the back office functions, see everything that you get with this. And there's some more videos back there as well. So that's it for this video. I hope everyone has a happy, healthy, and prosperous 2024. I look forward to making, you know, a lot more videos and talking a lot more about GotBackup. This is my network marketing home. My wife and I do this. We've been marketing and running our own businesses since 2018. So we'd love to have you on our team. If you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, again, you can go to joinruss.com and take the free tour and see if it's something that, you know, resonates with you. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Also, please, if you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I do greatly appreciate it. So that's it for now. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.